Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a common plant spread in many parts of the world, and the gel extracted from it has been used by people as a folk remedy since ancient times, and it is found in many home gardens spread throughout the world, and the ancient Egyptians called it the plant of immortality, because of its many benefits. In the modern era, aloe vera gel is widely used in the manufacture of cosmetics because it contains vitamins and minerals that benefit the skin and hair. 1. The benefits of aloe vera for hair. Aloe vera has many benefits for hair, because it contains amino acids and protein enzymes, and among these benefits, 2, it nourishes the scalp and heals the damaged cells in it, which strengthens the hair follicles and makes the hair grow fast and healthy. It prevents hair from falling out, which ensures the maintenance of thick hair. Because it contains minerals, vitamins, and protein. It stimulates hair follicles, which promotes hair growth. It treats the scalp from fungal and viral infections of the scalp, which prevents hair loss, because it contains anti-inflammatory properties, calms and prevents scalp irritation from getting worse. Gives hair softness, for its ability to moisturize the hair. Aloe vera blends for hair. Of the mixtures useful to use to treat various problems facing hair using aloe vera, the following are: a mixture of aloe vera and castor oil. Touted this mixture to stimulate hair growth. Vabar removes dead skin that closes the hair follicles, which leads to the cortex cells, and preserves the acidity rate in the scalp and protects them from many diseases. And soak in the cactus to keep healthier hair. And the ways. 3. The ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, a tablespoon of castor oil. How to prepare: combine aloe vera gel and castor oil in a 2:1 ratio. Gently massage the scalp with the mixture. Leave the mixture on the scalp overnight. Wash hair with a gentle shampoo the next morning. The mixture is used twice a week. A mixture of aloe vera, coconut oil and honey. The mixture of coconut oil and honey moisturizes the hair, and it is a mixture that protects the hair from breaking, so it will not be necessary to cut the ends of the hair, which allows to preserve the length of the hair. And the method of this recipe is: 2. The ingredients: 5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey. Shower cap. How to prepare: mix all ingredients in a bowl, until you get a smooth mixture. The area is massaged from the scalp to the end of the hair with the mixture, and you should focus on the ends of the hair, because it is the most damaged parts of the hair. Once all the hair is covered with the mixture, put on a shower cap, and then wait for 25 minutes. After the period ends, wash the hair with cold water and shampoo, and then use conditioner at the end. The mixture is used once a week. A mixture of aloe vera, egg yolk and olive oil. Egg yolk contains fats, which moisturizes the hair. By mixing it with olive oil and aloe vera, a mask nourishes the hair and increases its growth rate, and its method is: 2. The ingredients: 4 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 egg yolk. Shower cap. How to prepare: mix all ingredients in a bowl to obtain a smooth and consistent dough. The mixture is applied to the scalp and hair, and the focus is on the roots and ends of the hair. When the entire hair is covered with the mixture, cover it with a shower cap, and leave for 20-25 minutes. Wash the mixture with cold water and shampoo, and warm water should not be used at this stage, because it will cause the eggs to cook in the mixture. Apply conditioner to hair, then washing in the mixture is used once a week. Aloe vera and onion mixture. Onion juice stimulates hair growth by stimulating the scalp and inactive follicles, and aloe vera and onions work together to prevent hair loss and increase its growth, and using this mask regularly makes hair longer and thicker, and its method is: 2. The ingredients: a cup of onion juice, a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. How to prepare: put onions, approximately 3-4 large onions, in an electric mixer to obtain onion juice. Then use a cloth like the one used to make cheese to filter it, and extract the juice from it. Add aloe vera gel to the onion juice, and mix well. This mixture is massaged into the scalp, saturating the hair with it. Leave the mixture for about an hour, then rinse the hair. Wash hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner at the end. The mixture is used once a week. Aloe vera and lemon mixture. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which is necessary for the production of collagen. Boosting collagen levels makes hair growth faster, and lemon juice maintains scalp health by maintaining the level of acidity, and its method is: 2. The ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, a tablespoon of lemon juice. How to prepare: mix the ingredients in a bowl to get a smooth mixture. Then massage the mixture on the scalp for a few minutes, and then on the rest of the hair. Leave the mixture for 20 minutes, then rinse the hair. Wash hair with a mild shampoo and conditioner at the end. The mixture is used once a week. Aloe vera and fenugreek mixture. This mixture is used to treat dandruff, moisturize hair, and obtain a healthy scalp, and its method is: 2. The ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. How to prepare: soak the fenugreek seeds overnight. In the morning, grind the fenugreek to obtain a paste, then add aloe vera gel, and mix the ingredients well. Apply the mixture to the scalp and hair, and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash hair with cold water, a mild shampoo, and conditioner at the end. The mixture is used once a week. A mixture of aloe vera and tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains antifungal and antibacterial agents, and kills viral, bacterial, and fungal infections. This mixture is used to get rid of the crust, and its method is: 4. The ingredients: 5-7 drops of tea tree oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. How to prepare: mix tea tree oil and aloe vera gel. Then apply the mixture on the scalp, and leave it overnight. Rinse hair with clean water. This mixture is repeated 3 times a week. Rose water, 2 teaspoons, can be added to the mixture. Video recipes of aloe vera to intensify hair. Watch the video for more information about aloe vera recipes for hair thickening. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.